morning. I am going for a bike ride. I'm home. I had the best day. I loved today. Did the bike ride to the beach, had breakfast at the beach, and then biked back to my friend's place and just chilled there. I want to do it again and again and again. The weather's still good. I want to make use of it. All I feel like having for dinner is something warm and cozy. So I'm thinking soups or my usual congee, and then some kind of chicken, like a honey soy chicken.
Exactly where they are. They up, hands down. So we're gonna hold out. 4, 3, 2. We're gonna freeze it there. You can hold. Oh, I love this song. We can actually just stay here, huh? 8, 7, 6. In the back of the body. 2 inches towards the back of the room, and then back in. There you go. 2 thumbs up. That's what I want to see. Up for 5, all the way. Thank you, my angels.
I am at a cafe now. I'm FaceTiming my mommy. I'm gonna do a little bit of work on the laptop. And I'm waiting for my friend to arrive as well. I think she just got here. I can see her. Love you. Love you, mom. This is so good. This is an acai smoothie. It's so good. My friend ordered the same drink. Look at this cafe, it's so cute. It's called Orto. And it's just by the water as well, which is really nice. What are we gonna make?
We're gonna make the mashed potato for our Swedish meatballs.
Yeah. I'm in charge of this.
Athishakhan is my sous chef.
There's gonna be lumps and clumps because of me.
No, that's the best. That's like, you know, that's like the proof of it being homemade.
Okay. Anna's homemade pickle. Time to get my rollers out. It is already the evening of Friday. I don't know why I'm doing all of this. My hair will just drop. I don't think it will hold the volume as much. There you go. Don't think my hair is gonna hold much volume. I've sprayed the Surf Avenue Beauty Breezy Mist while my hair was damp. That usually makes a difference. Tonight is Haikal's birthday dinner night. His birthday was on a weekday. It was on a Tuesday midnight. I got the cookies, and the evening of his birthday he basically just came home from work to balloons and donuts. It's hard to do cake between the two of us because it's just the two of us, but the donuts, oh, this is great. Actually, this is great volume, but the donuts is very easy to give around kind of thing. Tonight I have planned a dinner at a really nice place. It's a steakhouse. I'm not into steak as much. I don't like slabs of meat. I love it. It will calm down. Basically, for his birthday, I have planned this dinner tonight. Steakhouse, easy. He loves steak, so that's good. And then tomorrow we're doing a full beach day. I booked like a cabana for us. Let's set this slightly. I feel like I don't talk so much about what it's like to live in Dubai because I don't know, but just a random example. I know everyone talks about the convenience of living in Dubai, but this is like a prime example. I need a pair of shoes and then I just ordered from this. This is basically like a department area in Dubai Mall with amazing brands. Picked up a pair of Sam Edelman, which is great price. Just need a plain black pair and it fits. Yeah, it came in 2 hours. Damn. Look outside here. That's where I do my facial. This way. To our beach day.